Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. We picked up this Doodle bug. Very cheap. It's got a Subaru 7.0. I wrote it is fast. So I'm going to try to get this thing started. And I better check the gas. Okay. Huh? Let me just tell you that this thing is fast. So the dude I got it from, he welded this motor plate on and it's booger. So we're gonna have to redo the motor plate. I'm not sure if it's welded on. He knew that when he sold me this thing that the valve stem was broken, so I'm gonna have to pick up a new valve stem from O'Reilly's. But I just happen to have a dirt bug, which is the same as a Doodle bug, which has the same rear tire, sprocket, brake, and I just stole it off the orange General Lee chopper that I've been building temporarily until I get the new valve stem. But I just took this thing for a spin around the neighborhood, and I need two hands. Hold on. Did I put this thing back in? Gotta remember to put that in the on position. Thing is faster than my 125 SSR. Take my hand off the handlebar. Alright, more to come on this Doodle bug. Got sidetracked. I had food on the grill. More about this Subaru. We're going to give this thing a little restoration. It's a little rough in places. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.